Say good morning, fishies. I'm 7 months now, fishies. You want to tell them? Hi, fishies. You want to welcome Mama? Go get Mama. Go get her. Go get Mama. Go get Mommy. Get Mama. Go get her.
Hi. Say Happy Father's Day. I'm 7 months old now.
Are you reading a book, 7-month-old baby? Oh no, you lost the book. Thank you, Mommy. Do you feel like reading today? What's in that book? What's it about? Are you going to open the book? Oh. 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 Uh-oh, you dropped a book. Do you want another book? Oh. Oh. What do you see down there? Is there a magazine down there on the floor? Oh. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh. You'd like another book, would you? What's that one about? Does that one match your shirt? Are you a very hungry caterpillar too? Are you going to throw that book on the floor? Don't drop it on your toes. Goodbye, book. Luke, what you doing? Oh, that was such a good book. Do you want another one? Oh. Here, read the book. What's that one about? Oh, it is, huh? The end. The beginning. Oh, it's such a good book. Are you reading it to us? Thank you. Thank you. Oh, you're so big. The end. The end. Oh, don't fall down. Be careful. Oh, that's how these things work. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Goodbye, book. Goodbye, book. All right. That was such a good book. Do you want another one? Here's one more book. Read one more book and then we're all done. Yep. Oh, another book. How good. What kind of book is this one? Yeah. What kind of book? Say Happy Father's Day, Daddy. I'm 7 months.
Oh, it's going to be Father's Day.
Uh-oh. All the books are gone now.
Blow kisses at Daddy for Father's
Make
Day.
kisses.
Yay for Luke. What happened?
Are you playing with the balloon? Oh.
It says, I love you. Happy 7 months old. I love you.
Where'd it go? Where'd the balloon go? Where'd it go?
You're going to have to move to get it, tired baby.